Dear students, welcome to StudyBus, the online study channel. This video is about environmental studies subject for class 2. Let's have the overview. The chapter number is 1. Chapter name is Changes and Choices. Concept is growing up, doing things on your own and learning to choose. This is what we are going to study in this chapter. The book name is Harmony. Let's get started. This is the first page of textbook and there are 4 images given. Let's read out. This is Riya when she was a few months old. She was tiny at that time. She could not walk, talk or crawl. She would sleep most of the time. In the second image, Riya is still a baby in this picture, but she has grown up a little and has started to crawl. In the third image, Riya is a toddler. She has just started to walk, but her steps are unsteady. And in the fourth image, Riya is now 6 years old. She can walk and talk. She can also eat on her own. She now goes to school and loves to paint and dance. So, we are going to study in this chapter that how we grow. We shall learn changes and choices. Growing up, learning to do things on our own, learning to choose the right thing. And in growing up, we will study newborn baby, toddler, young child and adult. So let's read. Growing up, all living things grow. A baby grows into a woman or man. A puppy grows into a dog. A plant grows into a tree. We need proper food, care and sleep to grow. Look at the pictures given here to know how living things grow. Do you see the change in size as we grow? This is the pictures given here. You can see how eggs grows into adult birds. First image is eggs of a bird with hatchlings. Second image is a mother bird feeding them. And in third image, the birds are grown into adult birds. The second image is of a toddler. Toddler grows into a young child, then in adult man and then in old man. The third image is of a seedling. How seedling turns into a young plant and then into a tree. So this is how all living things grows. In this picture, there are some young ones who are lost. Draw lines to connect them to their prospective mothers. So calf, who is the mother of calf? A cow is a mother of calf. Who is the mother of chick? Hen is the mother of chick. And dog. Dog is the mother of puppy. Now, we can do things on our own. As we grow, we learn to walk, talk and look after ourselves. Look at the pictures. Tick correct if you do these things on your own and cross what you cannot do on your own. So, can you bath by yourself? Can you eat by yourself? Can you study by yourself? And can you tie the shoelaces by yourself? So, in this image, whatever you can do, you can mark tick on them. Learning to choose. As we learn to do things on our own, we often have to make a choice. Sometimes we choose which dress to wear to a friend's birthday party. At other times, we have to choose how to behave. Our parents do not let us eat food from outside too often. For that reason, we can choose to be upset with them, or we can choose to understand that eating too much food from outside may make us sick. We must understand that our parents want what is best for us. So this is how we can learn how to make choices. Let us look at some of the choices we can make every day. We can choose to listen carefully to the teacher in class and not whisper with friends. We can choose to finish our homework before watching television. We can choose to be nice to our sister or brother and not fight with her or him. We can also choose to wait for our turn and not push aside others to take the slide in the playground. We should share things with our brothers or sister. So here we have completed our chapter, and now let's do the exercise. A puppy grows into a dog. We need proper food to grow. A chick grows into a hen. As we grow older, we learn to make choices. We should not eat outside food very often. So, these were the correct answers. Now, let's do the true and false. A plant grows into a man. Is this true? No. A plant grows into a tree. So, this statement is false. Second one is, when we are babies, our mothers help us with many things. This is true. The third statement is, we need only water to grow. This is false because we need water, food, proper sleep to grow. The fourth statement is, as we grow, we learn to walk. This is true. Now, think and answer. Can you arrange these pictures in correct stage of life, starting from younger to older? This seems easy and you can easily do this. Hope you have understood the chapter, and if you have any problem, you can watch the video again. Thanks for studying with StudyBuzz.